It's time to hook up the shunt now. And I'm not big on using cables. I use bus bars instead of cables. They just deliver the amperage better and they last longer. Here are the bus bars securely mounted to the shunt. Here I have the shunt installed, directly bolted right to the battery off a bus bar. I also have another bus bar attached to another bus bar which goes to a bracket here for support, which all my negative cables are hooked to right here. I've also here attached a power cable here on this side of the shunt directly to the main battery positive. I've hooked this cable directly into the BMS here where the cable is marked yellow there. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe.